finding unit digit in this number system concept. So we have 2 to 3 methods are there. I'll explain the short trick also. Generally, what is the unit digit in 321 multiply with 456 multiply with 258 into 753? So we know the simple technique is we have to check the only units place. This is one of the method when there is no powers, and with the power concept also I'll explain. Okay, so we need to multiply only the units places. So the first step is just 1 times 6. You multiply this. So answer is 6. Now take this 6 again multiply with next number. 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Then take again only the units place. Take 8 again multiply with 3. 8 times 3. So that is 24. So in this 24 only the units place is 4. Therefore answer is 4. So this overall answer, the unit digit is 321 into 456 into 258 into 753. The units place is 4. And another type of questions, what is the unit digit in 328 to the power 58? So we have to observe the units digit first. 328 should be multiplied 58 times. So 8 is the units place. Now we have the two important things. First one, if if it is any unit digit is either 0, 1, 5, 6. If unit place is 0, 1, 5, 6, we'll get the same answer. That means any unit digit, for example, if the 0 is units place, 320 to the power 58 means 0 will come. If 321 to the power 58, so 1 is only answer. 325 to the power any number, so 5 will get answer. 6. Because if you multiply any number of times 5, 5 is a 25, units place is 5, 6, 6 is a 36, same. So 0, 1, 5, 6, you'll get the same answer. Now other than 0, 1, 5, 6, we have 8. Other than this 0, 1, 5, 6, if any other number, first step, take the power. Power is 58. So take 58 and divide by 4. Any power, whatever the power is given, that you take the divide by 4. Then we have the 4 rules. The remainder is 1. In case if the remainder is 1, then 8 to the power 1 we should calculate. If the remainder is 2, 8 to the power 2. The remainder is 3. That means 8 to the power 3. And next remainder is 0. Because divide by 4 now we have only chance is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 8 to the power 4. So the base value is 8 now that we should take. Okay, let me show here. So we know the problem here 58 divided by 4. So remainder is 2 in this case. 56 exactly divisible. So remainder is 2 will get. 2 means 8 to the power 2. 8 times 8. So 64 in this units place is 4. So 4 is answer. Okay. I will show one more big number so you get idea. For example, what is the units place in? Let me take one important question. 256 to the power 131 multiply with 327 to the power 30 multiply with 152 to the power 295, 73 to the power 76. One more is 131 to the power 228. Okay, so the question is, what is unit digit? What is the unit digit in this? Okay, let us apply these rules now. You can understand clearly with this example. First is 6. So we know the rule is we have the numbers now only 0, 1, 5, 6 are the same. Because of 6 now, for this is 6 itself is answer. Not of changing anything. Next we have the 7. So take the 30. So first step 30 divided by 4 we should do it. 30 divided by 4 means remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. So that is 7 to the power 2. So 49. So keep in mind only the 9 it is. Next step. Next is 2. So this is not with the 0, 1, 5, 6. So 2 it is. Take 295. Take this number 295 divided with 4. Then remainder. Remainder is 3. So 2 to the power 3. So 8. Okay, let it be 8 in this. Next 3 means 76. So next place 76 divided by 4. So remainder is 0. The remainder is 0, then 3 to the power 4. So 81, let be 1 it is. Then last 1. 1 means you'll get the same 1 itself. No? Now you suppose take 6, 9, 8, 1, 1. They're the numbers. First step is 6 times 9. So this is 54. Consider only 4 now. Take again 4 is multiplied with 8. The answer is 32. Take only 2. 2 is multiplied with 1. So 2 itself. Again next 2 is multiplied with 1. Finally 2. So this is the answer. So unit digit in this number is this. So the simple method is take the power and divide by 4. Then apply this rule. So based on the remainder. So which are the number that to the power you can take. Okay. So this is the concept you can use to find out the unit digit any big number.